Hello guys, this is Toolbox Tutorials and today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make logo. So first of all, you wanna go to logo, press it. You can select from either a lot of logos and templates which people already made it. You can customize it, but we're gonna start from scratch. We're gonna create some simple logos. So you create blank logo. It's gonna be 500 pixels on 500 pixels. After that, we're gonna add some text, some heading. Because it's Toolbox Tutorials, let's type in TT. Let's choose some font. We can do that on top. Press Canva and let's choose some Chewy maybe. No, this one, yeah, looks nice. Let's make it bigger. Okay, and let's center it. You can do that by pressing in the top position and center. So now I have centered picture. Let's expand it a little bit more. Let's center it. And let's do it like this. Yes, completely center. Now we're gonna add some elements. Let's add some shape. Let's do square. Let's expand it a little bit. Like this. Let's make it white. You can do that by pressing in the top color and just choose color. After we've done that, we can move it a little bit. Can do it like this. Let's add some lines. So it looks more nice. If you want to copy the element, you can press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, and you have separate element. Same size, same length. We're gonna move it a little bit. Okay, that's nice. And let's add Toolbox Tutorial. So, tool. Okay, let's select font again, press in the top, let's do Chewy, and let's expand it a little bit. And here you go, you have your own professional simple logo. If you want to download it, you can press share, copy the link, or just press download the button. If you have a Canva Pro version, you can press it here, and this all picture gonna be transparent. Only the text gonna be visible, so you can implement in your videos, in your thumbnails, in your pictures, anywhere you like. Thank you for watching and see you next time, guys.